Turning right on a red light, how do you know that the traffic opposite has an advanced green? It's the one time that left turning traffic has the right of way over right turning traffic. There's no definitive answer, but there are 4 clues. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Turning right on a red light, how do you know if the traffic opposite has an advanced green? I've had that question from both Amanda and Siddharth in the last week, and I thought I'd better make a video to answer that question. It's not an easy question, there's no definitive answer, but there are 4 clues. First one is you're approaching the intersection. Is there a left turning lane on your side? If there is, there's a good chance there's one on the other side of the intersection as well, but not always. As you can see here in the image, this intersection only has a left turning lane on the other side of the intersection. Clue number 2, is there left turning traffic in the left turning lane on the other side of the intersection? If so, there's a good chance they have an advanced green. Clue number 3, did you just arrive at a red light and is there left turning traffic moving through the intersection, and that's all that's happening at the intersection? Because that is a definitive clue that they had an advanced green and are moving through the intersection on the advanced green. Because you got to realize that these advanced greens only last for 30 seconds, a minute, maybe 2 at the most, depending on how complex the intersection is. Clue number 4, and the most important, as you're approaching the intersection and the other 3 clues are in place, they have a left turning lane on the other side, there's left turning traffic, and you're facing a red light, look at the back of the traffic light as you're approaching the intersection. It's going to be a 4-light traffic light, which is going to be bigger than the 3-light ones, and whether it's horizontal or vertical, you're going to be able to recognize that easily as you're approaching the intersection and the other 3 clues are in place. You're going to know definitively that in fact the opposing traffic has an advanced green and they have the right of way over right turning traffic. It's the only instance where that happens. Now keep in mind at the same time, you're not going to turn right on a red light very often. It's like driving on a highway at night in the rain. It only happens every now and again. But you do want to know when the opposing traffic has an advanced green to be a safer, smarter driver. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now. Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.